How to change or transfer the server in one's human game here. So the step one is click the free trial button to add install it. Firstly, open the homepage of your application here and then click on the server to change option. Like it is a server, and in one's human you can see that you can switch to many of the server you like. Experience this game with the server you have. So simply change the server if you only want to get lowest ping volume without worrying about the specific server location. So the logo fast game booster will automatically perform mathematical calculation and analyze that the best server for you. Now, how to change one's human server on the mobile? Please search Logo Fast Mobile Booster in App Store or Google Play and install it. Or scan the QR code below to simply start a free trial. Launch this application and then click on Link with one's human. Choose the server and you can change it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.